Hi guys, this video is about creating an icon bar in HTML using HTML5 and CSS. So without further ado, let's get it on. In this tutorial, I'm gonna use Dreamweaver CC 2017 of Adobe. Open a new HTML file. Put a title, doc type should be HTML5 and press Create button. As you can see, tags are already created when you open a new HTML5 file, even the title of HTML. These are the basics tags of HTML. Now let's add a new meta tag. This tag is for the devices the user will gonna use. With this, the web page will resize according to the device. Meta space name equals to viewport, content equals to device width, initial scale equals to 1. Let's save our file. I will name this file as sample HTML buttons. Just a reminder, always save your file whenever you are done editing, to avoid repetition of work. Now let's go creating a div tag or the division tag for our navigation bars. Let's put nav icon as a name for this div. And next is our buttons. We will use the hyperlink tag and the italic tag. We will put active as a class name for our first button. Then let's put name on each button. Home, Search, Contacts, About, and Delete. As you can see on the right side there is a white window, that is the live view of our HTML program. It's time designing of our navigational bars. Create a new CSS file or cascading style sheet file. I saved and named it sample HTML button style.css. You need to create a link from your main file to the style sheet or CSS file. To do that, create a link tag space rel equals to style sheet space type equals to text or CSS space href, then browse the CSS file. For the Dreamweaver user window, you will see immediately the CSS file on the top of codes. You can easily navigate to your CSS file and the HTML file. Now let's start designing our HTML buttons. For the body, I will PU0 to remove any margins. Then for my div width, I will put 100%.
Background color to cadet blue.
Overflow to auto. For the design of our navigational icons or bars, our nav icon class name, then space a flow to left. Width 20%. Text align to center. Padding 12 pixels, 0. Transition to all space 0.3 seconds space ease. Color to white. Font size 36px. For the change color animation whenever you hover the cursor to any buttons. Please note the correction. I forgot to put a after nav icon. And for the active icon, we will change the color with blue. Then for our icon, we will use the Bootstrap CSS. Link the Bootstrap using our tag link. I will put the link in the description below. In order for the icon to show, you need to know the class name from the Bootstrap. For my home icon, class name will be fa-fa-home. For search button, fa-fa-search. For contacts, FAFA-envelope. For about button, FAFA-globe. And for delete button, FAFA-trash. And that's all guys, I hope this video helps you designing your web page. Please subscribe, like and press the notification button for more upcoming videos. Thank you and keep safe.